Good morning, students. We are doing Health and Hygiene, Chapter 11. And we have already learned in our previous classes about healthy life and how we can remain healthy. We have learned about different important things to be healthy, and they are we have to do regular exercise, we have to take proper rest, and we have to eat healthy foods in order to be healthy. But apart from doing regular exercise, taking adequate rest, and eating healthy foods, we also need to maintain good hygiene. Therefore, in today's class, we are going to learn about hygiene and different ways by which we can maintain hygiene. Let us first understand what do we mean by hygiene. Hygiene means cleanliness. So if you keep yourself clean and your surroundings clean, then we say that we are maintaining a good, healthy hygiene. And to be healthy, we need to maintain good hygiene. If we keep ourselves clean and keep our surroundings clean, then we will be healthy. Therefore, it is said that health and hygiene go hand in hand. Taking a good rest, doing regular exercise, or eating healthy foods not only makes us healthy, it has to be accompanied by healthy or good hygiene. This is because if we eat all healthy foods, but if we don't maintain or keep ourselves clean, then we will not be that healthy as we should be by taking all healthy foods, doing regular exercise, and taking adequate rest. Therefore, keeping ourselves clean and our surroundings clean is very, very important to be healthy. And maintaining hygiene can be done in two ways. Number one, by keeping ourselves clean, and number two, by keeping our surroundings clean. So in our today's class, we are going to learn about how we can keep ourselves clean, the different ways by which we can keep ourselves clean. The first way by which we can keep ourselves clean is taking regular bath. Now, in hilly regions, it is not possible to take regular bath, but it is always possible to take regular bath in the warm places like plains, like Siliguri, Kolkata, Mumbai, and other different warm areas. But the important thing is, after taking a bath, we always have to use clean towels to dry our body. The second thing by which we can keep ourselves clean is we have to always wash our hand before eating food, after eating food, after using the toilet, and after playing with our pets. And especially during this pandemic time, it has become very, very important to wash our hand whenever we touch anything, so that the virus, the COVID-19 virus, gets killed. How does the virus get killed? By the soap. So we have to wash our hand for at least 20 seconds so that the virus gets destroyed. And then only we can start eating, or we can start touching our faces with our hands, or touching our dear ones after washing hands. The third important thing is get your fingernails trimmed regularly. Your fingernails has to be trimmed regularly. It has to be clean and trimmed properly so that the dirt doesn't get stick under the nails. Fourth important thing is wash your feet at least once a day. So you can always wash your feet before going to bed, or after coming from school, or after coming from market. So always always remember, before going to bed, you must always wash your feet. Especially you have to take care the places between your toes, because over there dirt might get stuck. So you have to clean in between the toes, and after cleaning, if you can apply moisturizer, then your feet will be soft and it will be healthy. Another important thing which we can do to keep ourselves clean is we have to brush and clean our teeth daily in the morning and at night. So you have to make a habit of brushing your teeth twice a day, that is in the morning and at night. Another important thing which we can do to remain or to maintain good hygiene is keeping our hair clean, neatly combed, and by washing it regularly with the help of shampoo. I do not suggest to wash your hair with soap, because soaps are made for our skin, not for our hair. So I suggest to use hair shampoos to wash your hair, and always keep your hair clean and always comb them so that your hairs do not get tangled. So we have learned different ways. Today we have learned different ways by which we can keep ourselves clean. There are various other things by which we can keep ourselves clean, like wearing clean clothes, washing our clothes whenever it gets dirty. And I always suggest you to wash your small things like your handkerchiefs, like your socks, by yourself. Do not trouble your parents to wash your handkerchief or your socks. You can always wash these things by yourself. Okay, students, so try to help your parents also, also to keep yourself clean. It is not always parents' duty to keep you clean, but it is your duty also to keep yourself clean. So this much for today, boys. I hope you have understood today's lesson about how we can keep ourselves clean, and I suggest you to do today's activity. These activities includes completing this fill in the blanks, number 1, and number 2, number the steps to wash your hand properly. So these two will be your today's assignment, dear students. Stay safe and do all things well.